Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 28 July 2018, 03 of hour, 26 of minute and 57 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, where can you find lead in nature? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about where can you find lead in nature. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about where can you find lead in nature. It is sometimes found free in nature, but is usually obtained from the ores galena, PbS, anglesite, PbSO4, cerussite, PbCO3, and minim, Pb3O4. Although lead makes up only about 0.0013% of the Earth's crust, it is not considered to be a rare element since it is easily mined and refined. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.